Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today I'd like to discuss with you how you can use press releases to market your business. I've used many press releases, and what I like about press releases is that they appear, if you use the right service, they will appear on different newswire services. They could appear on Google News, which is great. They can also be sent to the Associated Press. Now, there are different companies. There's PR News, there's PR Web, Business Wire. There are many companies, e-releases, that will send press releases on your behalf. There are different pricing structures. It's important to see who they're distributing their press releases to, if they have any guarantees. Now, you should know what happens very often to a lot of the press releases. They're posted on websites that specifically collect press releases, and they could be affiliates of news websites, or sometimes, if you're lucky, it could be the main news website themselves. As far as giving you an SEO boost, meaning to help your website move up in the organic search results of Google, Yahoo, and other search engines, there's a big debate whether they work or not. Most people say they don't work any longer, but the reason I still like press releases, I like the idea of press releases, is number one, if you have something really important to say, something that is important to your industry, something that will be appealing to your consumer base, to the people you do business with, it's a great way to get the message out. If you have a new product that's very innovative, if you have a product that really, I would say, addresses a need, a challenge, a problem that's taking place, and you could help resolve that problem or alleviate the problem for many people, or anything that's newsworthy. You have a great idea, you're implementing a new strategy that's really helping people, that's getting your product out there. So you could, it's a great way to share that news with people through a press release service. If you are going to use a press release, just keep in mind that they can be very expensive. There are companies, I believe PR Web still does it, e-release does it, where you could pay for multiple press releases at once to get a discount. There are also membership sites where you can, you could pay, and then you could send either an unlimited amount or a limited amount of press releases. Once you send a press release out, or you're ready to send a press release out, firstly, you want to make sure that you have something newsworthy to share with people. And number two, you want to make sure that your headline is captivating, because what happens is journalists, reporters, consumers, or other business people are scrolling through the news, right? People's email boxes get flooded with press releases, with news articles, or if they go to Google News, there's so many different articles. You have to have a headline that really pulls people in, and you have to make sure that the body of your press release, the text, delivers, right? So when someone opens up that press release, they start reading it, it actually is interesting, and it encourages them to take action. Now, it's really important to have a call to action. What's a call to action? It's essentially a message where you're encouraging people to take the action that you want them to take, whether it's to give you a call, send you an email, visit your website. I recommend that you use press releases that allow you to have links in your press release. I would even go as far as to say only use press releases where you could have a link, because many people are not going to take the time to call you or even to send an email. But if they could click right there on the press release and go to your website, then at that point you have the opportunity to sell them your products, to collect their email information, their contact information. And it's very important to follow up, because a press release will only generate 2 or 3 leads, but those leads could be very valuable, especially on a long-term basis, to your business. All right, thank you so much. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My website is closeoutexplosion.com. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093, 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day. If you have any questions, please let me know.